This is only going to be a quick video this week, but I feel it's quite an important one for beginner programmers. I recently came across some research done by a company called Vulcan Cyber, who according to their YouTube page, help enterprise security and IT operations teams reduce cyber risk. Upon concluding their research, they discovered a vulnerability that attackers can exploit when it comes to using ChatGPT and other large language models for code assistance. Now, if you've used ChatGPT in the past, you might have noticed that sometimes it will invent completely erroneous information that seems completely credible. This is called an hallucination, and you may have read recently that it landed a lawyer in hot water. But Vulcan identified a new malicious package spreading technique, which they've termed AI package hallucination. The idea behind this is that a malicious actor could collect the most popular coding questions from places like Stack Overflow and then ask ChatGPT for packages that will solve each particular coding problem. ChatGPT responds with a number of packages. Of those packages that do not exist in a particular repo, an attacker could publish their own packages of the same names and include their own malware inside. When an unsuspecting user comes along and asks ChatGPT one of those popular coding questions, they may now receive a recommendation from ChatGPT to use the recently created malicious package. Now, Vulcan went as far as providing proof of concept by playing the role of a potential attacker. They referenced Stack Overflow for the most common how-to questions from a spectrum of programming languages. And out of 227 questions related to Python, ChatGPT referenced over 100 unpublished pip packages. Now, Vulcan goes into a bit more depth about the exact steps they took, and I'll let you read through that in your own time. But this is a potential issue that can easily trip up developers who are utilizing ChatGPT to speed up their workflow. Now, these types of supply chain attacks aren't new in software development, but ChatGPT's hallucinations can make them more common and easier for bad actors to implement. Vulcan provides a few suggestions we can use to help vet code libraries. I highly recommend you check out their YouTube video and read their blog because they go into far more detail than I have here. Anyway, that's it for today's short video. Do take care of yourselves, and I promise there will be a longer code-related video next week. I'll see you then.